All right, recap from yesterday. We hit this 4-man with DK, Gino, Dak, and CD. And then we also cashed the second one that I put out yesterday, which was this 3-man on Underdog with Austin Eckler, Tyrese Maxey, and Tyrese Halliburton. So we went 2 for 2 for last night. So we're going to throw out 3 picks that I like for tonight. So going to lock those in and roll with them tonight. So let's hop into those. First one up here that I like is Samaje Perine over 13.5 receiving yards. He's gone over that line in every game this year. Then Khalil Shakir over 29.5 receiving yards. And then Dalton Kincaid over 49.5 receiving yards. So that's the first one that I like up for tonight between Denver and Buffalo. So the second one that I like tonight is Damian Lillard and Zach LaVine, both over 21.5 points. So those are the 2 picks that I am going to go with for tonight. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like these, what you're rolling with tonight.